bone dry. Completely dry, with no moisture or wetness at all. The field is bone dry and the plant has completely died. The stream is bone dry. Deafening. So loud that it makes it hard to hear anything else or extremely noisy. The music was deafening that came from the party. The sound was almost deafening. Deserted. Empty, with no people, or abandoned. The streets were so deserted. There were no people that time. He lives on deserted island. Downpour. A very heavy rain, when it rains a lot in a short time. We didn't go to the party due to a sudden downpour. I completely got wet in the downpour yesterday. Eerie. Strange, scary, or mysterious in a way that makes you feel uncomfortable or afraid. The building is quite eerie at night. We often hear an eerie sound from the graveyard. Filthy. Very dirty or unclean. The public toilet is filthy here. You can't use it. Your socks are dirty. Put them in the basket. Flickering. Shining or burning with an unsteady or wavering light. When light goes on and off quickly or unsteadily. The lights were flickering at night. The candle was flickering in the room. Glossy. Shiny, smooth, and bright on the surface, something that reflects light. Your new car is so glossy. Her lips are so glossy after she put on red lipstick. Impoverished. Very poor, having little or no money, resources, or basic needs. This impoverished family lives without electricity. He belongs impoverished family and struggles every day. Livid. Extremely angry or furious. My father is livid when I come home late. He was livid when he saw the prick on his t-shirt. Putrid. Something that is rotten, decayed, or very unpleasant in smell or taste. A putrid smell is coming from outside. The smell of cheese is putrid. You can't eat it. Ravenous. Extremely hungry or having a very strong desire for food. I was ravenous by the time I ate some pizza. I am ravenous, that's why I ordered some food. Sweltering. Extremely hot and uncomfortable weather or conditions. We were sweltering at the beach. Our room is sweltering from the heat. Tattered. Torn, old, or worn out, especially when talking about clothes, books, or fabric. The man wears tattered dresses. Her t-shirt has been tattered and she threw it away.